Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's talk about the 1937 Washington quarter. Now, this is a silver quarter, so its value is already much higher than the face value of 25 cents just based off the silver within it. And for 1937, they had quarters minted out of all three mints, with quite a few coming out of Philadelphia, at 19.6 million of them minted. Denver would have a little over 7 million of them minted, and San Francisco would come in with the least amount of them minted, with a little over 1 million pieces minted. These quarters can have a wide range of values, so let's talk about them. Philadelphia coins can range pretty widely in circulated conditions. They can be around $8 or $9 on the low end and in upwards of around $50 on the high end. 1937 D quarters are a little more valuable, coming in around $10 to $12 in lower grades, and in upwards of $70 to $100 in closer to uncirculated condition. 1937 S quarters have the most value due to their low mintage, and usually on a low end still sell for close to $20 in some cases, and in upwards of $200 or $300 in decent condition. Now, ones that are graded in high MS grades like MS63 and above can be seen selling for thousands of dollars. A 1937 D quarter graded PCGS MS67 Plus sold for close to $8,000 through Heritage Auction, and an MS67 Plus 1937 S quarter sold for over $16,000 back in November of 2021. There's a variety of errors that you can find on these coins also, but you can watch that in another video of mine. Let me know what you think about these 1937 quarters, what you've been looking for lately in your coin roll in pocket change hunts, and what you've come across. Let me know in the comments, we'll talk there, and I'll see you in the next video.